Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video would be sharing with you the details of the EPAM company. So EPAM company is conducting a face-to-face drive on walk-in drive on 25th of September. That is, sorry, on 27th of September. That is on this particular weekend itself. The location is Pune and they are looking for automation testing in Java. So rest assured it's mandatory. If you know Selenium, if you know Java, if you know API automation, this is the skill set for you. And the experience required is 4 years to 14 years, and notice period is 0 to 30 days. At the same time, they are also having the walk-in drive in the Chennai as well. And over there also the skills are the same, Java automation testing. So if you know Selenium, if you know Java, or if you know JavaScript with automation testing, or if you know Python with automation testing, then you can apply for this particular opportunity. You can also share your resumes with the below mentioned details at this particular email address along with total experience, relevant experience, current CTC, expected CTC, notice period. So only candidates who can attend the face-to-face interview in Pune and Chennai are requested to apply. So if you are available over there and you can go and you can attend this walk-in drive face-to-face, then and then only you have to apply. So shortlisted candidates will be receiving the invitation letter. You have to share your details at this particular email address. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.